Hey, I want to thank the guys at Odyssey for sending me this nice starter pack so that you can take a look, right? Odyssey is called a functional energy. It's a new iteration of what energy drinks are. This is the blue raspberry, wait, no. My favorite is the pineapple mango, right? Let me show you the can so you take a look when you see it at the store, so when you see it out there, you can, buy it. And what this is basically a good version of what energy drinks should be. So basically, this is vegan, non-GMO, low sugar. It's a better version of what a energy drink should be, and it has no taurine, which can cause a lot of people a lot of jittery feelings. So basically, instead of having a bunch of caffeine, it only has 85 milligrams of caffeine, and it's basically an energy drink that will keep you balanced. And why is it that way? How does it attain those effects on you? And it's because it uses mushrooms, different kind of mushrooms that are very, like, now in vogue. They have mushroom coffees, they have mushroom candies, mushroom gummies, and these have two of the more popular fungi out there, mushrooms, right? Namely lion's mane. Let me show you the other cans. Lion's mane, lion's mane is for mental clarity and focus, right? And cordyceps. Cordyceps is touted as a mushroom that will give you mental clarity. Is good for balancing your anxiety, and is also touted as the fungi or mushroom that you're going to want to take when you want to liberate yourself from a lot of stress and pressure, because it gives you brain support. But it also has green tea, and it has also ginseng, which are other mushrooms that we've known for many years. So what it does is that it gives you, of course, the boost of energy. The cordyceps will take away that fatigue feeling, right? And it will keep you really balanced and composed, because it also has theanine or L-theanine, which is another component that will give you calmness. So this is a really nice, well-balanced blend of mushrooms and different components to give you what you want from energy drinks, which is for you to be able to take it and to feel okay, so that you can work, study, and do whatever other things that you want to do with it. So super recommended. But of course it has some limitations. Pregnant women shouldn't take it, and if you're diabetic, you shouldn't take it, because the lion's mane might lower your blood sugar too low. So you gotta take those precautions. So do your research. But what's beautiful about this is the taste is carbonated, and that the ingredients are all beautiful and clean, so that you can have a really nice, healthy experience. Super recommended. I want to thank the guys at Odyssey for sending this to me.